we're hoping to achieve quite a lot. So we're looking for sort of multifaceted sort of outcomes. We're looking to increase sort of academic application. We're looking to have fun with the kids, probably first and foremost, to be honest with you.
I'm hoping to see the confidence of the pupils increasing and their resilience so that they're prepared to try out some new things. And the main thing is to get the pupils excited and enjoying science. So
we're looking for that challenge-based learning in a different environment and looking at things from a totally different perspective in order for children to understand, or our learners to understand that, you know, it isn't all straightforward in life and things are changeable and they've got to be adaptable, and that's what we hope to sort of address.
I'm Lee, I'm the creative agent on this project. So my job is to work with the school, initially with the kids, to look at what they would like to do and how they would like to do it. And from that then recruit some creative practitioners who can help the school work with the curriculum to make it creative and exciting. One of the main things we're hoping to achieve is to establish a way of the school working with young people that really engages them in their learning and then improves the outcomes for both the learners and of course the school as well. Every project is different, and every time you're dealing with different students, different teachers and different creative practitioners, I learn about the process of learning. Creativity is important in today's world because creativity and the skills that underpin that can be applicable to any job they choose to take.
I'm most excited about seeing the pupils progress, looking at where they are now and where they're going to be by the end of the project.
The idea is that we can be creative in the classroom again, that we can take the ideas that we learn in the process and then share them with the staff and encourage the staff to use processes that are probably different, that are outside their comfort zone. But I think we've had a really good start so far.